Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you Nivea and cornstarch is the secret that cosmetic doctor hides from you, and it's going to remove the wrinkles for you and fine lines naturally. It is super effective and super helpful method. It's going to get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines without any side effects and with very simple ingredients. The first ingredient we will need is Nivea Cream, and we need to add around 1 teaspoon of Nivea Cream. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Then we need to add half teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder and mix the ingredients together. And then we need to add half of lemon juice. Add half lemon like so, my friends, and mix well all the ingredients. Now apply it on your skin and leave it for 45 minutes in order to get the best results from that remedy, and you're going to get your skin rid of wrinkles and fine lines from first use. You will notice a great results, my friends. It is super effective and super helpful. Leave it 45 minutes to 1 hour on your skin and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally without any side effects, and it's going to work for you. Repeat it every time you want to get rid of wrinkles, and it's better to use it 3 times a week in order to get the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.